So, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen.
Good afternoon.
Good evening, whatever, whatever you would like. My name is Camille Ontsia. I am Gabonese. I am 28. I am a financial engineer, and I am an entrepreneur here, a Gabonese entrepreneur here in South Africa. And today I'm going to be presenting my company, which is based in South Africa. And before I do so, I will give you a little introduction, and I believe that my introduction is going to make sense with what is going to follow. So, as we know, currently, the world is actually facing what you call a global economic crisis. And with the global economic crisis, individuals and households are currently managing their resources in order to be able to adapt and face the current cost of living. And I believe that as a business owner, whether your business is well established or your business is a new one on the market, it is also our responsibility to take into consideration the changes that the economy is actually facing. So as we know, the world is currently facing inflation, which is a macroeconomic factor. And because of this, as a business owner, I've decided to establish a business that is going to combine affordability with good craftsmanship. Because I would like the middle and working class to be able to have access to affordable items, but yet being able to manage the finances. So, and this is actually why I would like to introduce my custom-made furniture company that is based in South Africa. And we are going to start with it just in a moment. Please, Mr. Silver, if you can go straight to the About Us page so that I can start with the introduction of the company. Thank you very much. So Dreamy Furniture Pty Ltd is a furniture design and manufacturing company based in South Africa, specializing in creating unique, handcrafted and custom-made bedroom furniture. Founded in 2025, we offer a diverse range of furniture style, from classic to contemporary, catering to the unique tastes and need, as well as budget of South African household. So before we continue, I just would like Mr. Silver to go through our catalog, because I would like you to have a look first at what we do, so that the rest of the presentation is going to make more sense to you. So this is our catalog, if you can have a look at it. So I would like to just say something before. We do not only make beds, we make couches, we make pedestal, we make mattresses, we make a lot of decorative items, but the main item that we do manufacture are actually beddings. So I would like you to have a quick look at our catalog, and then I will be able to continue with my presentation. So we do have a catalog of about 32, I believe, bed item. With this catalog, you can have a look at the design, you can have a look at the prices, you can have a look of the the fabric that we use, and also we give you as well a couple of information to help you through your ordering process. So, Mr. Silver, can you just continue to go up to the beddings, and then we're just going to move back to the presentation. I just wanted the audience to see exactly what we do as a company. Okay, thank you very much. So we're going to go back to our presentation and go to the next slide. So what is our mission? So as I said before, with our team of highly skilled carpenter, upholsterer, and furniture artisans, our mission is to create exceptional, affordable, and unique custom-made furniture tailored to our customer requests and specification in order to bring their vision to life. So I would like to precise that yes, we do have a catalog, but you are able to contact us and send us your design according to what you would like. We do not have limitation when it comes to manufacturing actually our item. So next slide, yes. So we already had a look at the catalog. Now we're going to be talking about our business location. So our business is mainly based in Johannesburg, and we actually choose Johannesburg because Johannesburg is the economic city of South Africa. Johannesburg is the heart of the activities of the country. So we choose actually to base our warehouses and factories in Johannesburg because Johannesburg is highly recommended when it comes to running your business, and for multiple reasons. The reason that I'm going to be listing today are very simple. In Johannesburg, we do have all of our suppliers in Johannesburg. I want to precise that we do source locally. We do not source outside of the country. So we do source locally, and we do work with multiple suppliers that are actually based in South Africa as well. So we source from them from Johannesburg, We also have our delivery partner in Johannesburg as well. And we then have chosen Johannesburg as our main city when it comes to running our business operation because it was the best for us. So we do have 2 factories. Can we please go back quickly? So we do have 2 factories in Johannesburg. One is situated in, can you please just go back? Just go down a little bit, just for the addresses. So we do have 2 factories and 2 warehouses. So the first one, the main one, which is actually situated in Rosettenville, Johannesburg South. And we also have a second one, which is actually situated in New Doornfontein. And in both of them, we do have 4 to 6 employees working within these 2 factories. So I would like to precise that we are a small company for now. So this is our number of employees now. Of course, we are working on expanding because as much as we grow, we are actually having more and more orders. So by the end of this year, maybe, or maybe next year, we will be expanding in terms of workplace and workers. So let's go to the next slide. Okay, business operation and business management. So here I'm just quickly going to explain to you how we do operate as a company in South Africa. So firstly, we do receive our order through our business WhatsApp or through calls, I would like to precise that we need actually to receive our orders that way, because we do actually custom furniture, so we have to consult with the client. We cannot only have a website where people go and buy, because we do have to consult with the client. We do have to talk about design, about fabric. We do have a lot to talk about, so it's better for us to be able to assist the client directly instead of just collecting order through a website. So we do receive our order then through our business WhatsApp, as I said. From there, the client has access to a full customer services, including interior design, fabric and material selection, and delivery arrangement. So the next step is simply sending the order straight to the warehouses. So once the order is confirmed, the client receives then an invoice. Once the invoice has been, how can I say it, sorry? Yes, processed, exactly. Once the invoice has been processed, now we are fully confident to send the order straight to the warehouses. From there, the manufacturing process can be started with, and then next step is simply the collection. So we do work with a couple of transportation company. We do have partnership with a lot of transportation company. So once our orders are ready, we do select a transportation company that is actually ready to come by the warehouse and collect the order from us. Once the order is collected from us, we move to the delivery process. So the order is now transiting to the client, and once the order arrives by the client's place, we do actually a final quality check, and we carefully installed the bed or the item that the client ordered within his personal or her personal space. So moving on to the next step. Moving on to the next step, we can now go through the payment process. So I would like to precise that we do work on an EFT or a cash on delivery payment method, and I would like to explain myself. So unfortunately in South Africa, we realize that the cyber criminality is quite high, which means that sometimes we do have problem when it comes to building trust with our customer. So what we do is we actually decided to work on a payment on delivery type of payment, and then from there we assure that the client has 100% trust in us. Moving on to the next step. No, the last. Okay. No. The last. No. The slide. Yeah, the previous one. All right. So the last step, which is one of the more important steps when it comes to my company, Believe, is the customer review and feedback. This is where we get to know if the client is actually satisfied with the item that we just delivered. This is the most important step when it comes to my company, because I would like to make sure that my workers are doing a great job, and that the service that the client was expecting has been delivered properly. So, moving on to the next slide. So let's quickly make a market analysis and a market analysis, yes. So when it comes to our furniture, custom-made furniture company, what is our target market exactly? So as I previously said, medium income individual seeking affordable, unique, and durable and modern customizable furniture pieces are actually the people that we are targeting when it comes to our target market. As we previously said, we would like to be able to give access to people, to middle class working people who cannot afford luxury type of furniture. So we do have, in this niche, we do have families, we do have individuals, and we do have property developers as well as interior designer. So we do have a couple of contracts with property developers. We do work with an Indian company who actually build houses, and they would like us to be able to furnish these houses once they are done building them. So property developers are actually one of our main target market when it comes to our furniture business currently. So let's do a quick, let's go quickly to, okay, no problem. So let's go a little bit deeper into the market analysis. I just would like you to see from which city we do receive most of our orders, and which actually gender and which, I was saying that let's go deeply into a market analysis. On the first part here, I would like to show you the city from which most of our orders are coming from. So most of our orders are coming from Johannesburg, following by Midrand, following by Pretoria and Centurion, and then you have others which can be from any part of South Africa. But these actually are the main city from which our orders are coming from. Moving to genders and age analysis, most of the people ordering from us are female actually, which is actually not really surprising. When it comes to decoration, usually the women are the one in charge of it. So this is why most of our orders are coming from women. So moving on to the next step. All right. So what are our goals and objectives? So the first goal that we have is business growth. Currently, we only deliver within Gauteng, which is a province of South Africa. And with time, we would like to be able to expand by partnering with reliable shipping company that offer delivery services to other areas outside Gauteng, such as KwaZulu-Natal, Eastern Cape, and Northern Cape, which are other provinces that we have not been able to reach yet. We are still looking for a partnership with a company, a shipping and delivery company that is able to ship to this area. So if any of you has such a company or knows such a company, please let me know. This is going to be very important for me. So the second one is financial growth. Of course, we would like to be able to continue to maximize our financial performance by increasing our revenue and enhance our profit margin. And the last one, our customer satisfaction. We would like to be able to continue to offer quality products and outstanding services in order to achieve a high percentage of positive customer reviews. Sorry, move on to the next and I believe the last. Can we see the title, please? Is it okay? Okay, values and business ethics. So as I was previously saying, as a business, we would like to be able to expand And I believe that if a business would like to expand, it needs to have a certain business ethical behavior and a couple of values that are going to help the business grow and expand. So we would like to be able to continue to work with integrity, which means carrying our business operation with honesty, transparency, by applying ethical conduct. We would like to continue to be excellent in what we do. This is the most important part. We would like to apply respect when it comes to our partnership. And I believe that with respect, you are able to connect with people, connect with institutions, and build actually a long-term relationship with these. We would like as well to continue to innovate and be able to adapt to trend and create unique and tailored products to meet individual needs. So I will have to, okay, thank you. So I would like to give my own conclusion to my presentation. And what I would like to say is, yesterday we talked about commitment. We talked about committing to each other. We talked about committing to everything that we are doing here. And what I would like to say is we also must learn how to commit to a word which is excellence. I believe that as a continent, Africa has been for too long associated with the word laziness, and people around the world believe that as African we do not have nothing to offer. So what I would like to say is, as a business, I would like to commit to excellence. I would like to be able to represent my country through my business. I would like to be able to continue to focus on customer service and not on earnings. Because when you focus on earnings, you tend to forget that this is not the most important things when you run a business. You need to make sure first that your customers are happy with what they receive. I sell furniture, and the only thing that truly makes me happy is when my customers are actually happy with their order, with what they see, because it means that my company is doing a great job. And if we do a great job, then it means that we are going to keep growing. So this is going to be my conclusion. And I would like to thank you for having listened to me, and good afternoon to everyone.
Thank you so much, and really all the best with the business, and I really do hope that you do make acquaintances that will assist you in